Yeah, so JBL is a well-known brand in the audio world, particularly our history in installations with our extensive range of loudspeakers, from ceiling loudspeakers in hospitality environments through to in bars and restaurants, in their nightclubs, and also all the way up to stadiums as well. We've been going for almost 90 years now, known for headphones in the consumer space, also the automotive space, and the professional audio space, including tour sound, live sounds, and in the MI market. Because we have quite a wide portfolio, we have lots of options available to us. We take a technical approach, looking at what the customer really wants in terms of their brief. So is it for music? What sort of music? Is it foreground music or background music? And then we look at the space that it's in. So we look at the acoustics of the space and try and match that to the loudspeaker, and also how the aesthetics play into that. So is it need to be completely concealed, or is it fine to be surface mounted, etc. So all those things come into a design, and then often we'll do some modelling, or rather we'll work with partners, sort of integrators, and our distributors to model spaces to give us the best acoustic performance as well. JBL design many of their own transducers. We've had a history of being a leader in that market, designing transducers in our high-end loudspeakers all the way through to our installation products in the smallest 3-inch loudspeakers. And we have a number of patents. In fact, we have a huge patent library and research library on all sorts of different driver technologies, including our dual voice coil drivers, which are much more efficient, and also our recent innovation with annular ring radiators in our A12 and A8 cabinets for tour sound, which produce beautiful HF performance with minimal distortion. The portfolio is really quite expansive, going all the way from people in their bedroom with studio monitors to professionals in the studio, all the way through to, as I said, stadiums and arenas. And with that, it also breeds a loyalty of our people growing up with the JBL brand. I myself had a pair of JBL speakers that when I was a musician, and it's great to work for a brand that has that sort of loyalty and history in the market. And it's every part of your life as well, from your coming to work in the car, or if you go to a train station, we're often there in the announcements you're hearing, or an airport, through to the entertainment that you do in the evening as well.